Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Um, Today I'm here to show some earrings that I got from Just Little Things. Let's see how it is. Obviously मैंने ये box पहले खोल चुका है. But let me show you what all I got in this parcel. So I ordered four earrings, and with that I met the criteria to get a free gift. That was a mini organizer. So ये बहुत क्यूट सा ट्रैवल ज्वेलरी मिनी ऑर्गेनाइजर है and they have packed it pretty nice. So this is the cute little jewelry organizer. It looks like this. And these are removable. Yeah, only this is removable. Okay. So let's go over the jewelries. And I also got a cute little note from them, from their team, Keepy and Vijay, I guess. Thank you. With a discount coupon. So these are the four earrings that I got from them. This is the first one, and I came across their page Instagram के through. Instagram I used to get a lot of ads from Just Little Things. So initially I was kind of skeptical क्योंकि मैंने Instagram के काफ़ी सारे reviews सुने हैं that the pages come out to be scammy and people get scammed from them. Scammy is not a word, but anyway, people get scammed from that, and but I also heard few reviews about Just Little Things from a friend, from few other friends and all. And they were telling कि अच्छे ही आते हैं इनके products and they're not scammers, genuine products है, genuine website भी है इनका. So I was like, why not give it a try? The earrings are a bit pricey if you look at it that way, but I personally do not like investing so much in earrings, so much as in 500 for a single piece of earring. Though not all of these are for 500, but you know what I mean. But anyway, I'll add the pricing of each earring somewhere here. So this earring, these were very cute. I saw that on the website, and I also saw that in one of the ads on Instagram that I got. So I'm trying this for the first time. I just checked इसमें क्या क्या आया है, and I did not try them earlier. So let's see how it looks. It's a bit difficult. Yeah, kinda cute. I think it can go with some casual wear and some classy dresses. Dresses and office wear. It can go with anything. Okay. So let's go with the next one, which is this one. I found these very cute and interesting because it's kind of different from a regular earring. Yeah. So इसमें it is 2-in-1. You can wear it as a whole earring, or you can remove this pearl one and wear it separately. I am gonna try it as whole. Ouch. Okay. Let me see.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is how it looks. It I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's looking kind of pretty. This is also something that you can wear it. This or this. Sorry, or this. I like both. Now let's try the third one. Also a pro tip, I'm sure अब तो आपको तो पता ही होगा, but still if you don't know, one thing that I do to keep my earrings intact is keep them in a this plastic wrappers that they come in. उससे they don't get tarnished easily. And this is the third earring. And how it looks. Yeah, I like this one more. I like the first and this one more. I'm not trying in both the ears because अभी मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना नहीं है. So the fifth one. Though I'm very disappointed with this one because जैसा उन्होंने इमेज में दिखाया था ये वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. That one in the image looked very cute and it was like in the shape of a bag, you know, ऐसे जो clutch होता है ना ऐसे, it was in that shape. So I was expecting something like this, but it actually is just like this, you know. But in the picture it was cut ऐसे, मतलब curvy shape में था और ये बहुत ही unevenly cut हुआ है. And मैंने ये ट्राई किया था when I got it, and it is $4.99 and I invested this amount thinking कि अच्छा आएगा. मुझे you know the whole reason why I ended up buying all of these were because of this one earring, because मुझे ये बहुत cute लगा था when I saw in the picture. And mostly on Instagram I saw this wala earring and this one. So I am very disappointed with this earring. It did not come the way it looked. But I think that's the gimmick that every place follows. They don't give what they show. And it's kind of complicated how it is supposed to be worn because it comes with a ये पीछे का hook or whatever it is called, मुझे exactly नहीं पता क्या बोलते हैं, and one stick, and then you're supposed to put the stick inside one side of this, and पहले ये stick आपके कान में जाएगा, अभी दूसरा end का आ गया यार. Okay.
One eternity later.
Not really happy with it. Not really happy with the amount that I've spent on it. Okay. How is it? Okay. Managed to take it out. Okay. So, this one. ऊपर से फर्स्ट यूज़ में ही बेंड भी हो गया है, इफ़ यू कैन सी. I'm not sure if it is clearly visible, but do not recommend this. But otherwise, if I have to tell pricing के हिसाब से ठीक है या नहीं, okay. For surely that one was not worth the price at all. मतलब $4.99 का that earring and its stick, वो तो फर्स्ट यूज़ में ही बेंड हो गई. So yeah, that was the Just Little Things haul. Loved some of their products, some I did not like. मैंने बहुत ही लंबा वीडियो बना दिया शायद से, but thank you so much for watching this, and leave in the comments below what else would you like to see. So that was that. Please leave in the comments below if you have bought something, and how was the experience from Just Little Things. Or drop in the comments if you did not like something in this video, or whatever you liked in this video. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. If not, you can dislike it or not. It's up to you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.